Welcome to our Catholic Schools Week virtual open house. We celebrate Catholic schools for 209 years of outstanding Catholic education. Please join us today as we tour our beautiful campus.
This is a multi-purpose room, a recent addition to the MCC campus. This is where students can go to work quietly during their academic enrichment periods and eat lunch. And after school, this can be used as a parent meeting space or any special occasion, and dance and cheer hold their practices in here. This is a gym or Hurley Hall. This is where our physical education classes are held, and we recently just had the floor refurbished for our afternoon sports such as volleyball and basketball. We also hold our class masses here and other assemblies. Here at MCC, academics are prioritized. A student athlete must have a 2.0 minimum GPA to participate in their sports. Students outside of the classroom are extremely involved in our sports program. This is a rare opportunity where Hurley Hall is empty. It is the heart of our campus and has seen multiple activities from sporting events, special occasions, and assemblies. Our student service department has 2 full-time guidance counselors which will help further your child's career. Through unique programs such as Naviance, they will help your student succeed at higher levels. This is the Sullivan Campus Ministry Center. Good morning, Father Vince.
Hi, Madison. Come on in. It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Thank you. In addition to some of the liturgical things we do here in the Sullivan Center, we also work together with our student services. We want to make sure our students feel happy and welcome and taken care of.
Throughout the year, MCC students have many opportunities to participate in service activities. As right now, we are collecting backpacks for the Daily Bread.
And don't forget, Madison, that at the beginning of the year we're going to have another food drive for those people that are Daily Bread, and also a peanut butter drive for those in the Dominican Republic.
Although MCC is a Catholic school, you do not have to be Catholic to come here. MCC is welcoming to all practices and faith. Melbourne Central Catholic has unique partnerships with Florida Institute of Technology and Barry University. Our juniors and seniors take advantage of various course offerings right in our backyard. Aquinas Hall is home to math, science, and history departments. We have science labs on both floors, which are equipped with fire-resistant tables. This is Miss Head's marine science class. Let's see what's going on today.
I'm Maddie.
Hi, Miss Head, how are you?
Good. Today we're doing a little bit of water chemistry, and we are determining the salinity of water by evaporating off some homemade seawater for them to be able to do calculations later.
This is our state-of-the-art Dream Lab. It was built 2 years ago and serves as a place of learning and communication. Students may come here for their academic enrichment periods, where they can meet with a group, meet with a teacher, or get their homework done.
Thank you for joining us at our open house. Please contact us today to learn more about how your child can become a student at Melbourne Central Catholic High School.